She belongs to Stardust Equestrian. Stardust Equestrian's our sponsor. They're going to be dropping a clothing line in August, so watch out for that. Thanks for the follow, kid of not wanted outcast. The names on here drive me nuts. So, hopefully, fingers crossed, this could be Andy's Grand Prix mare. If not, she'll be an International Derby horse for sure. She's going exactly according to plan so far. Doing good. We're going really slow on her. Andy's done pretty much all of the training. I guess I did ground drive and that stuff, but I got hurt. So haven't really been doing any other training on her. Andy's done all of it. She doesn't seem like she's as happy today. Poor girl. I only got 2 likes on this live. If y'all like horse training, double tap the screen, get some more horse people on here. So since she's a young horse and doesn't have a whole lot of riding under her belt, she gets lunged and she's jumping bred, so she's got to get some of that energy out. She acts really calm right now. I just wait till she starts working. She loves it. She picks up speed. All right. Thanks for the follow, Lee. You know, my foot cramps have been getting better since I started taking those electrolytes again. So if I don't have any regular followers on here, I broke my foot and had to get $30,000 worth of titanium put in the damn thing. So I'm not riding lately or starting to work horses a little bit, but Kimberly, this is our barn in Conroe, Texas. So we're trainers on the suburbs of Houston. So we've kind of got a routine since I broke my foot, but Lucy gets to come hang out with me while we do lives and we get a video Andy. Poor Lucy went over to the neighbor's house today and got her butt kicked by the neighbor's dog. Hey Audra, nice to have you back. It's been a hot minute. So, Pie's going around good now. We're working on her slowing down on the lunge and just behaving. Thanks for the follow, Jade. Easy. so hard for me not to sit here and say shit while she's working the horse. So the problem is that she's wanting to just, oh, I had a, god dang, it's been 3 months. I had a yearling warm blood rear up and come down on my shoulders with both legs and snap my foot in half. Broke every bone in my foot and all the joints. It's not good. But I'm on the mend. I'm walking again, and foot was broken for a month waiting for insurance, and then insurance kicked in and had the surgery, and I think it's been a couple months since then, so. Yeah, definitely. Set us back sucks. Andy had to pick up all the work. Everything got put to the side and pushed back. Sucks when you get a kink in your hose. Thanks. That dog just laid down so hard, clunked your head on it. Dog's got a good life. Thanks for the lives, Kimberly. Oh yeah, cryotherapy is always great. "100% agree, Brenda. We wouldn't have anything we have without God. He sure directed every path in our life. I always give thanks to Him. He's responsible for everything that's ever happened to us. We sure live a good life because of Him." Ask and you shall receive. Oh, electrolytes are good for that, yeah. So, what I use, actually, thanks for the follow, Alexa. For everybody that's just tuning in, so we own a horse business. I'll show you the electrolytes we use. So we train horses and we train people. We have a lesson program. This is our barn in Conroe. We also run out of, 3 other facilities now. We just started another facility. Oh, so it's pretty crazy. We have assistant trainers. We may be looking for a second, third assistant trainers pretty soon, but this is the electrolyte I use. Audra, you're asking about that. Relight Boost, I like it. The Boost has caffeine in it. I'm gonna flip this around. Little scoop in the inside. Little scoop, and I take my waters here. Take my waters. So me and Andy do carnivore diet. So we only eat meat. So we have to have electrolytes. But normal people are electrolyte deficient, so it takes two little deals there, and you just give it a shake and it's all good. But it's the best tasting electrolyte I've had. But that'll end all your cramps. If you get back cramps and all that stuff, and migraines and everything, migraines, muscle cramps, you have bad back. Number one, get rid of the carbohydrates. They are horrible for you guys. You gotta reduce that so much, it'll kill all the inflammation in you. thing is, we're basically professional athletes, so we have to be as in shape as we possibly can. Me and Andy both had chronic back pain, getting knots in our shoulders, everything. Good chiropractor has a lot to do with that, but we went carnivore. We were only eating meat. We kind of, since I broke my foot, we've kind of got off of it. But yep, chronic inflammation. Yep, go all meat. I'm telling you, give up carbs. Get the hell off of it. That is the poison that they're feeding us in the United States. Most countries restrict how much sugar they can give you. But yeah, so I went down. So when you first start carnivore, oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, me too. But so I lost, right off the bat, I lost 20 pounds of inflammation. Oh no, Cash. Yeah, I know what you mean. We do cryo. Yeah, I have a cold water recirculation that I use. One of these days we'll get one of those pools. Thanks, Kimberly. Yeah, so we only eat meat. Well, at least we try to. We've kind of got off of it. Well, I broke my foot because I wasn't able to get up and cook, but I used to weigh 230 pounds and I'm down to 194 right now. Andy lost a lot of weight, gained a lot of muscle. She lost 16 pounds within the first 2 weeks of carnivore, and that's inflammation, guys. Fat is slow to lose. You can only lose 2 pounds of fat a week. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, no, got in that shit. That's the cause of all of it. Your migraines, your muscle cramps, your back hurting, all that stuff is all due to all the sugar you eat. Cash, it's upstairs. I'm not gonna go grab it down right now. It's also, so I've been using it for my foot, but you can look them up. It's just ice water recirculation. Ice Vibes are really good, but yeah. And so another thing is, so insulin, here's the deal about insulin. Insulin is a nutrient blocker. So whenever you eat sugar, what your body wants to do is it wants to process that sugar as fast as possible. It wants to process those carbohydrates as fast as possible. So what it does is it blocks the absorption of all of the other nutrients besides those carbohydrates. And so you're eliminating, that's why everybody's having to take all these vitamins and all this bullshit, is because, pardon my French, is because that insulin is blocking all the other nutrients that are going into your body. So your body no longer can process good fats and all that stuff because of the sugar blocking those nutrients. And then when you get into plants and all that stuff, you know, you have good vegetables, broccoli, green beans, there's a few other ones, but you have your good vegetables. Thanks, Roses. You have your good vegetables, and then all the rest of them are just poison. Kale is absolutely horrible for you. Oh, because I was talking about my electrolytes, and then they got into talking about, like, they're having horrible muscle cramps and headaches and all that shit that we were having before carnivore. Then I got to talking about carnivore, and everybody's asking about it, so. Yeah.